Need to recover a QuickSave file from your favorite game session? These files preserve your gaming progress for later resumption. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to use QSV QuickSave game files to continue your gaming adventures. I'm saving the most versatile part for last. We're going to rely on one simple but powerful QSV file inspection tool that is capable of reading and repairing hundreds of file types. Users encounter .qsv files after downloading videos from the iQiyi streaming service. The primary challenge is that these files are encrypted and can only be played by the official iQiyi player. Users are typically searching for a way to convert the .qsv file to a standard format, like MP4 for offline viewing on other devices. The QSV format is a proprietary binary container designed for digital rights management, DRM. It wraps the video stream in a layer of encryption, tying playback to the user's account and the iQiyi application. This prevents unauthorized distribution and ensures content remains within their ecosystem, a common strategy for streaming platforms. For reliable opening, iQiyi Player by iQiyi, Inc. offers the best solution for QSV. Windows cannot fully extract this archive type, requiring dedicated extraction software. Windows can preview many of them, but editing features depend on video software. Your most vital first action is the file association test. Right-click the QSV file and choose Open With. If iQiyi Player is on your machine, test it. If not, choose another program. We must find the correct software. If the QSV file is still giving you trouble, relax. The nature of the QSV format makes basic errors common if one detail is missed. Let's verify these key points right now before proceeding to the fix. First, loading an original game. Place the QSV file in the appropriate save game folder for your specific game, typically located in Documents Saved Games, or App Data folders depending on the game and platform. Launch the game and use the Load Game menu to access QuickSaves. Select the QSV file to resume gameplay from the saved point. Next, backing up saves. Copy QSV files to cloud storage, like Google Drive, Dropbox, or game-specific cloud save services for backup against system failures. Steam Cloud GOG Galaxy and similar platforms offer automatic save synchronization for supported games. Maintain regular save backups, especially for games without built-in cloud save functionality to protect lengthy gaming progress. Finally, transferring between systems. Move QSV files between gaming devices by copying through USB drives, cloud storage, or networking. Note that save compatibility varies by platform, with some games supporting cross-platform saves, while others restrict saves to specific systems. Check game documentation for platform-specific save file compatibility before transferring across different gaming systems. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. To help resolve this, you might consider a tool with autonomous file reading capability that is designed to look past the extension name and inspect the internal data structure directly. At this point, I recommend our one-click fix, the Universal Viewer. My top recommendation is FileMagick. It opens almost any format and is available right now at filemagick.com. Let me know in the comments if that file is open. Subscribing ensures you never miss another one-click solution.